If you want to keep your home in order without spending much time or effort, then this video is for you. Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. Today I will share with you a few tips that will make maintaining your house easier. But before we start, I would like to thank LILYSILK for sponsoring this video. This new shirt I'm wearing right now is made of 100% mulberry silk. It comes in a nice looking paper box and can also be a nice present for your family and friends. This print striped satin silk shirt is extremely pleasant next to the skin and easy to combine with other pieces and can be worn anywhere. The shirt is oversized, it's loose but not bagged, and that's why it's suitable for all body types, while its larger armholes allow more flexible arm activities and various looks. It drapes and lays beautifully on your body, flattering a variety of figures. It can be easily dressed down or dressed up. By LILYSILK you can find all kinds of quality silk and cashmere products. In my collection I've got a very soft, pure cashmere sweater, a silk camisole which looks tremendous with my blazers, and even this classic wireless silk bras which you can wear underneath your apparel or even as a visible top for a stylish look. LILYSILK has amazing sleepwear, as silk is breathable. It maintains body temperature all night through, keeping your body cold in summer and warm in winter. Moreover, it prevents wrinkles and anti-aging, as there is a little friction between your skin and your bedding linen. Also, it absorbs less skincare products at night and leads to less attraction to dust, mites or allergies, making us feel comfortable on sensitive skin. The company has a zero-waste policy. Fabric remains are used to make accessories, such as these scrunchies. Moreover, they are environmentally conscious. Their silk is sourced from mulberry trees, which require less water than cotton to grow. I will leave the link and my personal discount code in the description box below. And now, let's get started! It's easy to get discouraged when there is a whole big mess you have to deal with. However, there is one little secret how to motivate yourself to clean. You start with the noticeable clutter, which is right in the plain sight. Usually, big clutter can be cleared much quicker than it seems, and you can see the result immediately. It's worth going through all the open horizontal surfaces, clearing them from the mess. It can be a kitchen countertop, a bathroom sink, or even a hallway area where clutter can build up especially quickly. If you maintain order primarily in the visible areas, then your house will look tidier and you will have more motivation to improve your home even further. I'm sure there was a time in your life when the guests were about to arrive soon, so you frantically tried to hide all the mess scattered all over your house. You end up not being able to remember where you put everything, and after looking at the box you lose all motivation to clean. If you use one box per room, it would be way easier to sort its content out. When it comes to everyday life, you can use one box for each family member and involve everyone in sorting their own stuff in their personal areas. Dirty dishes appear after every meal. If you take it easy, the whole kitchen will instantly turn into chaos. Make it a habit to deal with the dirty dishes as soon as possible. If you have a dishwasher, don't be lazy and load it right away. You'll have to do it at some point, so why not do it now? If you hand wash dishes, try this little trick. Soak the dishes in the sink immediately. Number 1, it gets half the job already done. Number 2, you'll most likely feel restless until you finish what you started. The result will be rewarding, and your kitchen will always stay clean. It is faster to clean from top to bottom. First wipe down all the shelves, cabinets and other high surfaces. Then gradually move down to the floor. By far, floor is the largest horizontal surface in the house and demands extra attentive cleaning. Fortunately, modern steam mops can help you do it quickly and efficiently. You constantly move around the house during the day, so it shouldn't be difficult to put away everything that you happen to walk by. Do it casually, as if it was natural, so you don't even notice it. For example, when I brush my teeth, I can simultaneously take a couple of items from the sink and put them away. Or I grab something and take it with me when I go from one room to another. That way, some of the clutter disappears on its own without me putting much effort into it. Everyone has their own idea of what order means. Generally speaking, your home is in order when there is no dust and dirt and everything is in its place. You shouldn't wait until there's trash everywhere in your house and stuff is scattered all over the place. Clean up even if you notice just a little bit of dirt. And remember that keeping it tidy is always easier and more enjoyable than spending the entire weekend cleaning. Are you familiar with the ingenious 2-minute rule? It's really simple. If it takes less than 2 minutes, then do it now. I can think of many examples from the top of my head. If you spill something, clean it up right away. If you see something is lying on the floor, pick it up and put it away immediately. It works for any tasks you do at home. And soon you will notice that all the so-called hot spots have disappeared and everything is spotless and organized. Knowing that it will take less than 2 minutes, you will be more willing to perform the small yet important tasks. If you start cleaning with several rugs at once, then it will go much faster. You won't need to rinse the rug every time it gets dirty. Just throw it in a bucket and grab a clean one. That way you can clean up much quicker and more deliberately without distractions. If you want to visually clear the space, the most effective way is to get rid of all the things you don't need. Don't overcrowd the interior with unnecessary items. If you don't want to throw anything away, just simply hide it. By the way, excessive decor usually creates a feeling of clutter. If you want to decorate a room, hang a picture on the wall instead of hanging shelves with all kinds of stuff on them. That will only make it harder to keep the place clean. Sometimes it happens that you don't have any cleaning products available. That's when various cleaning tricks can save the day, helping out in the most unexpected situations. For example, to prevent water stains on a kitchen sink, rub a small amount of body oil on it. And if you want your bathroom mirror to be fog-free, apply shaving foam. Recently I uploaded a video with life hacks for cleaning with homemade cleaners. Make sure to watch that video if you want to clean even faster and more efficiently. I hope you liked this video, and if you like cashmere and silk products too, please check my description box for the link of LILYSILK and my personal discount code. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!